gotta test this. So yeah, I came across, well, not today, but I was browsing my YouTube stuff and getting ready to go to bed, and I was watching Ozzoy Programming YouTube channel videos, and if you're not living under a rock, you should watch his videos. It's a pretty decent guy, and with pretty good knowledge and with good stuff there. So go check him out and subscribe to Ozzoy Programming. He's has great stuff, and this one I just had to try. So he came up with an idea, and not only came up with the idea but actually implemented it, was to implement a web server using just the bash. And I know that bash is a very capable piece of software, but holy crap, he managed to. I learned so much with him, all about the whole script. He has it available on a GitHub repo. I'm going to put it down below. And he showed step by step how the logic behind this script that will make your web server work just with bash features. I learned new features that bash is capable of. And I learned quite a lot, not only how to get this result going, but also much more of all the ecosystem around this type of solutions. And he made it really practical, and that's how I learn. I get bored really fast with just theoretical things. I get really bored really fast, and by him putting this in a very practical terms and like showing us and going step by step, and I mean, I was interested for the 1 hour and a half the video, how long the video is, and I really got interested, and I had just to try it. I didn't try the whole thing. That's something for when I get more time. Today I don't have time for that long of an experiment nowadays. Thank God for that. I have other businesses going around, but this is on my bucket list. And I want to experiment the whole thing. But I have only shown you the kind of the bare essentials, which is how can we make bash listen to a network port, bind itself to a network port, and listen to network requests on that network port. So he went all the way from just listening. There's just example I've shown you. I did this just to show that anybody can do it, and also browse the folder, going one level, going down one level, browse files, and much more. And it gets really interesting, and never gets boring. So if you have some time, if you have half an hour, well, if you want to watch the whole video, it's 1 hour and a half. But if you want to test just the basics of the script, 20 minutes should be enough for you guys to test and actually see it working. It actually works, and I just got my mind blown completely. So go ahead and try it. I'm going to leave the link on the description below to its GitHub. There is already a discussion going on there. People are contributing to improve this even further, and also I'm going to leave you a link to its YouTube channel and this video. And this video specifically, I highly advise you to go there, check him out, subscribe to his channel, like his videos, and check all the rest of this content. The whole content, it's gold, but this one kind of spiked my interest, and I had to experiment and share with you guys. If I come across any more videos from Ozzoy Programming that spike my interest, I will share with you guys, but I highly advise you to go and check it out. He has lots of good content, and you should actually check it out and see if there's anything else that might tickle your fancy. Like, subscribe, and comment my videos and him and his, but for now, I'm asking as a personal thing to do. Like, subscribe, and comment, it really helps, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.